Hello viewers, welcome to today's episode on my class, which is simultaneous equation part 2. Last week we considered elimination method of solving simultaneous equation, but today we are looking at substitution method of solving a simultaneous equation. So let's see how it goes. First and foremost, what you need to consider first, write out the coefficient of each of the variables from both equations. The coefficient of x in equation 1, it is 2. Coefficient of y in equation 1, it is minus 1. Coefficient of x in equation 2, it is 2, it is 3. The coefficient of y in equation 2, it is what? It is 2. Now, I always tell my students, look out for the variable that have the lowest coefficient. You know, this one is coming from equation 1, this one is coming from what? Equation 2. To make it easier, you can decide to make any of the variable the subject of the formula from any of the equation, but to make it easier, I always tell them write out the coefficient of those variables out first, then go for the one that have the lowest coefficient to make the work easier for you. So looking at this now, this is the lowest coefficient out of the coefficient I've written out here. So that means I'm going for y as my subject of the formula from equation what? Equation 1. So let's see, from equation 1, okay, so that means 2x minus y is equals to 6. So I'm going to try and make what? Y the subject of the what? Formula. So if you want to do that, minus y will be equals to, by collecting the like times, 6, take this one to the other side, that will be minus 2x. So, but I need y, not negative y, okay? So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1. So I have minus 1 into minus y is equals to minus into 6 minus what? 2x. So I will open up the bracket. Minus 1 times minus y, that give me what? Y. Which is equals to, you open this one, minus times 6, that's minus 6. Minus times minus give us plus 2x. So which can be written as what? It can also be written as what? Y is equals to 2x minus what? Minus 6. So I will name this equation what? Equation 3. Okay? So if this is equation what? Equation 3. So I've gotten y. So I'm going to replace this y in equation 2. So anywhere I see y in equation 2, that means I'm going to put what? I'm going to put 2x minus 6. You are not going to put it back into equation 1, because if you put it back into equation 1, that means you are getting this back. Is that okay? So now, let's go. This is equation 1 I'm referring to, this is equation 2 I'm referring to. Sorry about that. So now, I will now say substitute. I will now say substitute sub for y in equation what? Equation 2. And what is my equation 2? I have 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equals to what? Is equals to 2. This is my equation what? Equation 2. So I'm replacing this y into my equation 2. So I will have 3x plus 2 into what? Into 2x minus 6 is equals to 2. So when I open up this, I have 3x plus what? 4x minus 12 is equals to 2. So let's add this up because they look alike. They are like what? Times. So 3x plus 4x give me 7x minus what? Minus 12 is equals to 2. That means 7x will be equals to what? Collect the like times, 2 plus 12. Okay? That means 7x is equals to what? 14. So if 7x is now equals to 14, what is going to be what? X. So what is going to be our x? So x, I will divide both sides by what? 7. So 7x over 7 is equals to 14 divided by 7. 7 cancel out 7. That means x, 7 in 14, that gives us what? 2. So we have gotten our x right away. Okay? But we remember that our equation 3, what is our equation 3? Y is equals to 2x minus what? Minus 6. That is our equation 3. So I'm going to replace what now? I'm going to replace my x into this. So that means y will be equals to 2 into 2 minus 6. So y is equals to 4 minus 6. So y is equals to what? Minus 2. Y is equals to minus what? 2. So if y is now equals to minus 2, therefore x is equals to 2, y is equals to what? Minus 2. Minus 2. I told you the way you can check, so we can always check. So how do we check if this answer is actually correct? I will now say check. What is our equation 1? Our equation 1 is what? 2 what? 2x minus y is equals to what? Is equals to 6. This is our equation 1. So we want to see the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So how do we do? By just replacing, how do we do it? By just replacing our what? X and y into what? This equation. Let's see. 2 into 2, which is our x, minus what is our y? Minus 2. So this minus is already in the equation. Then we have y as minus 2. You put it here, which is equals to 6. So let's see. 4 minus times minus, that's plus, which is 2 is equals to 6. So we can see that 6 is equals to what? 6. So therefore, left hand side is equals to right one hand side. So that is it. If you enjoy watching this video, please kindly share to your loved one, share to your contact. 1 or 2 people might need it among them. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.